I mean, really, you've got magic, wisdom, creativity, vision, self-doubt, power, fear, courage, purpose, soul, limiting beliefs, love, infinite potential, and my personal favorite, you've got dreams. Working with your dream is a way of amplifying everything in you that is true. And by that I mean creativity, love, soul, power, wisdom, purpose, magic, potential, courage, vision. As you amplify all of this, what it adds up to is that deep joy of living your most authentic and meaningful life. So it's your dreams that are the key to figuring out how to do that. And at the same time, working with your dream will push you to heal and transform all the things in you that are not true. Talking about fear, self-doubt, limiting beliefs, inner critics, and more importantly, all the ways that these things impact how you show up in your life and what feels possible for you. Which means that working with your dream is actually a way of bringing healing to the parts of you that need it the most. You do not have to know how to make your dream real before you begin. It's nurturing what is true in you, your gifts, while healing and transforming what is not true in you, fears and doubt. This is how you create space to align your outer life with your inner truth. And that is when you will know how to make your dream real. So it's working with your dream, which is something you can do right now, no matter what's happening in your life, that will lead you to be able to take those brave steps to align your outer life with your inner truth. And that's why the Creative Dream Incubator is all about practices for nurturing what is true, your gifts, your dreams, your power, your strength, while also healing and transforming what is not true, fears, doubts, etc. Because when you engage deeply in this work, you activate your gifts, you heal, grow, expand, discover new possibilities, take brave steps, and my favorite, you live your magic. Working with your dream is the key to everything you want. Your dream is waiting for you to come true. Join us at creativedreamincubator.com.